wanted to talk about this idea, Happy Saturday, that went kind of uh, viral. Not really viral, but it just had some conversation around it. So I think it's an important conversation to speak about. So this girl posts, according to the group chat I have with my two guy friends, yes, guys do realize that when they text you shit like, hey, happy Friday, it makes women want to blow their brains out. FTR. For the record, I have not responded to said text, but I'm debating explaining why I'm not interested in low effort courtship. Is it worth the effort or the explanation? I don't think so. Anywho, still violently single, maybe because I don't respond to Happy Friday text IDK. Bottom line is, when you text a girl, hey, happy Friday, it's just a bunch of fluff. And so here's my response. And this goes into kind of a broader strategy with, say, dating apps or even girls just that you're dealing with that will go in after this. So there's no point texting her, hey, happy Friday, like an NPC. Days of the week and weekends are social constructs, as is making a big deal out of them. And on the flip side of this, to add to it, we can already just go into the fact that they're socially loaded constructs, meaning if you're texting girls on the weekend, then there's an added element of, oh, this guy has nothing going on the weekend. Of course, that's dumb. And of course, I'm sitting here making a YouTube video on a Saturday and I take calls on Saturdays, Sundays sometimes, and I don't live by weeks and weekends. And, you may not either, but that's not how the world works. So in reality, back to kind of this message and the point of this video with what she said, what she's calling a low effort courtship is really just the guy not being a man with a plan. And literally any plan is better than no plan because most guys don't have a plan. And so simply having one makes you stand out and not get seen as low effort, because the idea is you're giving her an offer for her to say no to. There's a guy at this company I work with. He's the founder, head guy. And, he's like, hey guys, whenever we make a call, like let's say, like I'd say what it is, but let's say you're selling software or something. You have a call with someone, you speak about it, and then, for them to purchase, you just send them a purchase link. Well, he's like, hey guys, let's send more purchase links after these calls. And sure enough, when you do that, people start buying because you're giving them the ability to buy. So the problem is most guys don't have a plan. And so simply having one makes you stand out and not get seen as low effort because you're actually painting a picture of what you could do together and you're giving her the ability to say yes or no. That's the key. Texting her, hey, happy Friday means nothing to her. It's fluff and submissive because why do you have time to be an NPC small texting? You're small texting. When she receives, think about it from her perspective. She's receiving this message. I don't care. I get messages from guys all the time where they'll even text girls stuff like, I want to have this kind of evening. I want this. As the guy. My brother, do you understand Brafalt's law? Do you understand that women control access to sex and relationships? This isn't about you. Yes, it's about you, but do you want to win or not? And if you want to win, you have to understand how to appeal to the benefits that the market wants so you get paid off. That's how this works. And so when she's receiving this message, she's thinking, wait a minute. Because remember, we have to understand what women value first to then understand the analysis of what she's thinking. Women want value. Women want a man with options. Women don't want a guy who's just sitting around, hey, happy Friday. Because what are you also doing with that we haven't even gone into yet, that this could be a full essay about? The fact that you're basically putting the ball and it's her decision and her mental bandwidth. Now she has to come up with a plan. She has to come up with a response. But on the flip side, when you say, hey, let's do drinks tomorrow at 8. Hey, let's do drinks Thursday at 8. Hey, let's do XYZ. Now you're giving her the ability to say yes or no, to think. You're doing the thinking for her. You're just saying the time and date. And now she only has to think, can I do this or can I not? It's not this vague, creative nonsense. Hey, happy Friday. Heart the message. Oh, happy Friday. What do you have going on this weekend? Oh, well, dude, now not only do you look like an, small texting NPC, you look like you did the hey, happy Friday to figure out what she has going on in the weekend. And then you're asking her a plan. So now it all seems calculated. So it's even worse. But that's all I got for this video. Just had to kind of throw that out there. Happy Saturday. But yeah, if you want more posts like this, I'm posting, way more active on X but I will be posting on YouTube more. If you want access to my texting bot that I kind of use for, messaging girls back and, kind of generate responses similar to like this, really good responses. And then kind of, she responds and, then comes over, stuff like that. If you want access to that, links in the description, any kind of coaching scripts in the description. But other than that, talk to you next video. Peace.